Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by confirming basics and opening the right controls. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and paired to your iPhone, and that both devices use the same Apple ID. Once done, swipe up from the watch face to open Control Center. This saves time. Tap the Ping iPhone button when you hear sound. If you need a louder signal, press and hold to emit a flashing light. This helps when the phone is under cushions or in another room. Now open the Find Devices app on your watch and locate your iPhone in the device list. You'll see its current status or last known location. Tap Play Sound to make the phone chime. This is the most reliable method nearby. If the phone is farther away or offline, use directions to get walking or driving guidance. The watch hands off to Maps on your iPhone. Also enable Notify when found, so you'll get an alert once the phone reconnects to the network. To finish, follow up with Lost Mode if you can't locate the phone. This locks it and shows contact info. Use iCloud. Calm if necessary. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't silencing the ringtone, and raise the phone's volume from the watch if you can reach it. If nothing happens, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because connectivity is usually the issue. Only repair the watch as a last resort. That's the nuclear option and takes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.